When you flip a light switch, you're not just performing a simple action. You're completing a circuit, kicking off an invisible delivery service where countless electrons race to carry energy from a power source straight to your light bulb. For this to work, the path must be perfect. A circuit is a complete, unbroken loop. Any gap, and the flow stops instantly. Every simple circuit needs four things: a source, like a battery, to provide the push, a conductor, like a copper wire, to act as the path, a load, like the light bulb, to use the energy, and finally, the switch, to open or close that path. To really understand what's happening, imagine water flowing through a pipe. The push, or pressure that gets the water moving, that's voltage, measured in volts. The rate of the flow itself, how much water passes a point each second, that's the current, measured in amps. But what if the pipe gets narrower or clogged with friction? That's resistance, which slows the flow down, and it's measured in ohms. In 1827, George Ohm discovered the golden rule connecting these three ideas. Voltage equals current times resistance, or V equals I times R. It's a perfect relationship. If you increase the voltage, like swapping a small battery for a huge one, the current increases and the bulb gets much brighter. But if you increase the resistance by adding more bulbs, the current decreases because it's harder for those electrons to push through. This flow can be direct current, or DC, like in a battery where electrons march in one direction, or it can be alternating current, AC, like from your wall socket, where electrons vibrate back and forth. But remember, it's the high current, the sheer volume of flow, that makes electricity dangerous. So, from the push to the flow to the friction that slows it down, these simple principles govern the invisible energy that powers our entire world.